When viewing a user's contact card, you may notice over here they often have a star rating. A user will be rated between 0 and 3 stars. This provides you with a quick summary of how often and how well they're interacting with your mailers. So, the more a user is interacting and reading your mailers and clicking on links, the higher their star rating. They would be given a 0 star rating if they've never interacted with a mailer or not often interacting. The user would have a 1 star rating if they're reading more than 10% of your emails. This would be bumped up to a 2 star rating if they're reading more than 10% of your emails and clicking on the odd link from time to time. A 3-star user, as we can see here, is a user that is regularly engaging with your communications, so this is a really good quality subscriber. To meet this category, they must be opening and clicking on more than 10% of your emails on a regular basis.